Okay, so we start with the eyebrow first, and then we're going to go into the lash. Right?
Right.
Okay. Just want to make sure it's all right.
So I'm using my Maybelline Eyestudio.
Mm-hmm.
You all know I love my Maybelline. And I just take my brow brush. Then brow. And I just take this brush, only use a little bit, and I just ever so gently draw on the outline of my brow.
You gotta watch the detail. Now, is this a medium curve? How are you doing it? Is it light? You know, how are you doing this?
I always do a light arch. I don't do a deep arch. I don't do a boom boom. I do just a light curvature of the eyebrow. And then underneath, I just go in.
We're back. Rebecca, relax. Now, let me see that brow. Come on, start.
So next, I take my Maybelline New York.
Okay.
Fit Me in the color Cafe. Excuse me.
That's that good cushy cush. Crippy cush.
Persona MUA. So now, I go over with my concealer over my eyes. Some people like to put the concealer on their hand and then take their brush. But I just go ahead and trace my brow with the concealer. And it just cleans up the excess.
If you want it, we can get right to it. Mix some vodka with some more J's. Skip the morning and let's get right to it. Put your hands on my body. If you want it, we can get right to it. Mix some vodka with some more J's. Skip the morning and let's get right to it. Put your hands on my body.
At this point, I'm using my Fit Me Maybelline concealer in the color Cafe, applying the concealer underneath my eyes, along my nose, right by my jawline, and you have to make sure you get it right where your jawline starts. Can't be too high, can't be too low. So once that's done, I also take my matchstick by Fenty Beauty in the color Espresso, I apply it underneath my cheek and the temples of my forehead. Once that's done, I take my flat brush and I continue to blend out the concealer. You want to blend as much as possible. You want your concealer to be pretty much seamless. Now that I've blended out the majority of the product, now I just have to finish brushing off the excess product. And once that's done, you'll see a more seamless contour. And now I'm adding my Fit Me Maybelline powder. And this powder really helps with just setting the makeup and setting the concealer. Just making sure I go underneath my eyes and pretty much everywhere the concealer has been applied. And now we're getting into me putting my little stars. That's my signature. The stars underneath the eyeliner. If you see the eyeliner pencil, I don't know the name, but I just got it for $1 off of the Wish app. I get a lot of affordable makeup from the Wish app. So if you guys have the app, I would just suggest, getting it. But I know you see that I've done my eyeshadow already. I did it off camera because my eyeshadow really doesn't have like the color doesn't come on as easy, so it takes a little bit more time. So I'll do another video just doing my eyes, but this is just a good brow and contour tutorial. So now I'm adding on my lipstick. I just use a MAC lipstick. I'll put the color in my description box, and all the other products I've used also in my description box. So yeah, this is my NYX Dewy Setting Spray. It just sets the makeup. It makes my skin glow. It just makes everything just looks nice and glowy and finished. And the highlighter that I use is MAC Gold Mine. I'll be putting that in my description box. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. This is the final look. Let me know what you think. Please comment, subscribe, and like my video. Thanks.